All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I just have some super pretty, soft pink and purple colors. I've mixed up some gray and like a navy color that I had left over. I'm still on the quest to use up all my leftover paints. I want to do something that I haven't done in a long time. It's probably been about 3 years. I want to use my ice cream scoop. So my concept is to ring pour the colors and then pour into the scoop my other colors and then blow or swipe, I haven't decided yet, Australian Floetrol across the top and then stretch it out over. I don't know if it's gonna hold up, I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's play around and let's see. So I'm gonna start with my ring pour, basically in the center. So I had a dark gray and I mixed in some Prussian blue to it. There's a little bit of white next to that navy mixture. And I'm not super concerned about my rings because I'm gonna be pouring on through. I didn't know if I should swipe, but I really wanted to use my ice cream scoop. So I'm just gonna pour the colors in. Hopefully you'll be able to see it here. I'm gonna pour them in just like this. I don't wanna put the yellow next to the purple. I lightened the yellow with a bit of white. Ooh, that is much thicker than the other colors, but oh, it's already starting to. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Oh, I dripped that in there. I did not think about this, y'all. So I'm gonna take my palette knife and just swipe across the top and see if that works. It did a little, but not much. So I may still end up swiping this after, but I'm just going to I like it. I'm gonna do one more. It's so hard to show you and do it at the same time. I really like how much that yellow brightens everything up. Okay, I may have to take it over here to swipe. May do better scooping it on top and then blowing it. Okay, let's see how this comes out because I didn't get much cells and lacing. All right, like a little ribbon pour. I still feel like I want to swipe a little bit though. So maybe I'll do a combination. Maybe I'll swipe right here. You know, not every one of my plans is thought out. Sometimes I just grab colors and just go for it. And honestly, that can be the most fun sometimes. So I combined a lot of techniques with this one. And the paint will just peel. I just got this at the dollar store. The paint peels right out. So my initial idea did not work. The mouth of the ice cream scoop is too thin. So I think I'm gonna swipe with the light pink. I do like the yellow here. And then the purple. I don't even have my, I didn't even have my napkin. All right. I don't want to disrupt all of that. Okay. Got a lot of different shapes and interest going on in here. I think that's plenty. I think I'm gonna stretch this out. I'm gonna have to use those colors in another painting. Maybe, maybe a puddle pour. Those colors, I really, really like them in a puddle pour. They're super soft. They would go great in like a baby's room, I think. All right, here we go. Stretching this one on out. I'm interested to see, I lost a lot of my yellow over there. And I don't want all my yellow to go off here. Ooh, I got like a bleeding effect from the, ooh, what? This was just supposed to be like a leftover, what? Oh my gosh. I can truly say I'm extremely surprised. I'll be honest, as I was starting to pour this out, I was like, this video may not ever make it to you guys. There is like this translucent effect. What I poured out of the ice cream scoop tinted the colors below it. And this looks so three-dimensional. I am not doing anything to this. I'm gonna touch up my sides, give it a torch, and I'll show you. I'm very excited about this. Y'all, I didn't even think this was gonna make it to you as a video. I thought it was gonna be a complete and utter mess. But look at this. I am amazed. This color combination, look at how it bleeds through and you can still see, I mean, and we'll see how it dries. But this color combination, the pops of yellow, the way that it all looks almost like watercolor, the dimension that this has, wow. I couldn't be happier. You just never know. That right there is why you play around, why you experiment, and just, what do I say? See what happens. All right, I'm gonna see how it dries because I anticipate it's gonna dry much darker, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm so happy. I can't. I literally was just gonna stop halfway through when the swipes in the ice cream scoop wouldn't work. Oh, all right, let me show you how this one dries. This right here is the exact reason that you don't give up on something. I love it. It dried so well with those see-through portions to it. I love the lacing. This color combination, would have never thought to use it together if I wasn't using up leftover paints. I like it a lot. The small bits of yellow, the little pops of it, I'm glad I lightened it up. That center. Oh, definitely playing around with the ice cream scoop some more. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. You almost didn't get to see it, but I'm so glad I stuck with it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.